Yes, sir. We're back again with another reaction, man. Bro, the last video we did on Auntie right here, bro. I'm gonna call her Auntie. I don't care what y'all say, bro. Is she your auntie? Is she... Man, leave me alone. Queen Omega, bro. The last song that she did, oh my goodness, that was my first time seeing or listening to her or doing a reaction on her, bro. That shit was banger. She is different, bro. I thought she was Jamaican. I thought she was Wagwan. But she ain't, bro. We're gonna go ahead and check this one, Thunderstorm. I don't know how that storm coming, bro. I ain't ready for it, but at the same time, it's like I'm ready for it. I ain't ready for that storm, but I'm ready for it. I don't know. I've been trying to see if she have like a channel on her own, so that I can like add her like in the description, so y'all go support her. But it's like I don't really see a channel under her. Like it's like I keep seeing like different people post her video. I don't know. I don't know, man. If y'all know her channel, y'all talk it in the comment section, bro. We gotta go support Auntie right here. Let's check this out, man.
Let's go.
Thunderstorm. Ragatune. Wow. Sing, mama. Rastafari. Huh?
Coming like a thunderstorm. Coming like a thunderstorm. Me not conform to your norm. And from the day we were born, the same old song.
Aye.
Coming like a thunderstorm.
Aye.
Coming like a thunderstorm.
Bro, you can see reggae in her. Just looking at her right here, you can see reggae in her, bro. Bob! Where's Bob Marley? Come get your sister, bro. You can see reggae in her. I don't mean this reggae that y'all reggae tuning right now, bro. I mean the real reggae, the Rastafari mama. You can see that in her, bro. I love her energy.
Coming like a thunderstorm.
Yeah.
Yes, Queen Omega said that.
Huh?
The way the system set a trap, only attacking the blacks, the underprivileged, the underdogs, and blast them like a rat. Rats race it off, fist up. People crying them fed up, them time out an empty belly after picking up the clock. Who can return to when we see the world corrupt? As the laborers are few when harvesting the crop. As the millions are starving when food the day enough.
Bro, this is one thing that I love when it comes. I know y'all going, are you bro? Listen, this is one thing I love about reggae tune, and this is one thing I love about her. Listen to the message that she is saying in the song, right? Forget about the tune, get the beat out. Listen to the lyrics that she is saying. Who you gonna run to when things get bad? Look around, you see a lot of people starving. That's what reggae used to be. Reggae used to be that weapon that we used to fight the system, that we used to pass the message around. It wasn't just like, I want to dance to reggae. That's what reggae tune was, bro. And she is still here. She still believes in that. In passing that message around. She don't just want to make a song that's going to go viral. That ain't real reggae. This is some raw. Listen to it.
From them plotting genocide, but the most that we are trust. Coming like a thunderstorm.
Hey.
Coming like a thunderstorm. Coming like a thunderstorm. We not conform to your norm, and from the day we were born, just the same old song. You take away the innocent lives. On them head you put a price. You fill them up with fear. Take away the freedom and them voice. Empty barrel making noise. Some of them left without a choice. The eagle and the Draco rifle are them toys. Who can return to when we see the world and ice? I see that the truth is being overshadowed by the lies.
Hey.
I see the devil roaming, I'm moving through the skies.
Come on.
I see the fall of Babylon, when your people rise. We coming like a...
Bro, I love what she is saying in this. I love it, but at the same time, it's like, bro, I want to enjoy the vibe with her. I want to enjoy it. It's true, real story that she's speaking. I don't want to get emotional with this, bro. I just want to have fun with Auntie right here. That's all I want to do. I just want to have fun with her. I don't want to get the sorrow part about it. You know what I mean? But sit back and listen to it. Listen, this is real music, bro.
Coming like a thunderstorm. Coming like a thunderstorm. Me not conform to
Oh man, I love her energy in the booth, bro. She got so much energy. This is what I like to do, bro. I would listen. I would sit in front of this camera 2 days straight just for something like this, bro. This is what I want y'all to keep sending me. I don't want no hip hop nonsense, bro. I don't want no pull up. I don't want that, bro. This is what y'all should send me, bro. If y'all send me something like this, please go send it to y'all favorite YouTuber. By the way, y'all say I ain't your favorite, right? Just go over there, bro. Me and Auntie, we over here. We over here, man.
Coming like a thunderstorm.
Woo!
Rastafari.
Rastafari, mama.
We not conform to you, no.
No way. Woo!
Cause every day it's just the same old song.
Ah!
Lightning and thunder, brimstone and fire. Yeah. You know me go say, coming like a thunderstorm.
Woo!
Coming like a thunderstorm.
Woo!
Coming like a thunderstorm. Coming like a thunderstorm. Yes, I.
Hey!
Like a thunderstorm.
Rasta mama.
Coming like a thunderstorm. Coming like a thunderstorm.
Wow.
Coming like a thunderstorm. Storm.
Come on, mom. Come on, bro. Come on. Y'all see the energy that she putting. Like, she got water dripping, bro, in the booth just to deliver this, man. Oh, my goodness. Her energy is something else. I love this right here, man. Wow. Yeah, I love it, bro. Y'all keep sending me. Y'all tell me what next one y'all want us to check. I love her. I love her. And y'all make sure y'all find her YouTube channel. If she don't have a YouTube channel, man, you got to create one. You got to create one. Go create a YouTube channel. All it takes is for you to create it and let do the work for you. That's all it takes her. Let her create one and we're going to do the work. She's already doing the work by delivering all of these. Giving us all this fire right here, man. So we got to support her regardless. So all she got to do is create one. I don't know if she have one. I haven't seen it, man. Y'all send the link to me if she has one. Woo! I love this, man. Y'all let me know how y'all feel about it.